how the 20-year-old Lexus GS sports sedan handles. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's good to be back with, once again, another video. Might as well tell you guys what I did to this car in the past few months since my last video. So I replaced the injectors. Not that there was anything wrong with them, but I just wanted to replace them because I think they were the original ones since I bought the car almost 3 years ago today. And I mean, they could be even older than that for all I know. I also got brand new spark plugs, new coil packs. I actually got some OEM coil packs for one, is because for the past 10,000 miles I've actually driven this car on this NAT setup. I really just had the it was like the Amazon coil packs that I got, and I'm surprised they actually lasted that long, but it was also the reason why my car was popping a lot, and I couldn't even make that much boost and at least hold it for that long. So I got that out the way. Last thing I did was brakes. I did some new drilled and slotted front and rear rotors. I got my regular brakes painted, my regular brake calipers painted, and they look pretty fresh, man, you know what I'm saying? But I could get a big brake LS400 or ISF kit, but honestly, it's just for the time being. I'll probably get to bigger stuff eventually, but as long as it just looks good and it functions well, because it was really time for brakes. You guys didn't see it, but it was really bad in the rear. But yeah, when it was time, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just paint the calipers the same color as the scheme I'm going for, the silver and blue scheme I'm going, and it turned out pretty fresh, man. In bigger news, we actually hit 12,000 miles on this NAT setup, and it's been nothing but bulletproof reliable. I've been driving this car every day to and from work. I sometimes go to Virginia. I've been driving this car a lot in the past couple of months, and it's just never skipped a beat, and it's gonna just keep on going. That's not even half throttle. A nice little trick. So for me, being on stock ECU and no tune, silly enough, my AFRs are a little bit rich, obviously, and I have no O2 sensors, so that's gonna definitely make it a lot more rich. So I usually just give it like half throttle, if not 20% throttle, not even half throttle actually, like probably 20 to 30 or 40% throttle. But if I really want optimal AFRs, this little button right here, it will actually help the rich condition a lot more. So Instead of being at low 10s, 11s, 12s, I'll be around 13, 14. I've even seen 15 sometimes, so it definitely helps a lot, especially on cooler days. But it's 95 right now, as you can see. So it's really hot. Right now I'm going to showcase the buttons utilized on the GS300 steering wheel that still work after 20 plus years, which is impressive. So this, matched with some boosts, is actually pretty enjoyable. So let me just demonstrate. I'm not going to floor it or anything, but I'll just give you guys like a little pull, you know? Yeah, it's so fun, man. I love it. Alright folks, we're approaching a really nice back road. I've been wanting to take this car on for quite some time now, especially getting it on video. So, no other way to do it but in this one. Let's see how the 20-year-old Lexus GS Sports Sedan handles. Improper driving etiquette. Surprisingly, really direct. These paddles help out so much. So difficult to do this one-handed. It's so much easier with these shift buttons. I really don't think I could ever get tired of that. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Patiently waiting in this DMV traffic ain't nothing new, but you can see my AFRs aren't that bad. I mean, they're still a little rich, but at least it's not at 10 or 9. That's bad. But we just hit 342 on the back road right there. That was cool. But yeah, we got a long way to go before I get to my exit. But just daily driving this car, it's very livable with. You can easily live with this car. And for the setup I have on it, it's reliable. You can have fun whenever you want to. It may be a bit annoying to some people if you have a lead foot. But it's a very comfortable car, no doubt, no question.
I been trying to finish shades, nigga. Trying to graduate, we hella broke. We finna get paid, nigga. On a mission, on work, now I play position. A year later, kinda crazy coming to fruition. DVD, fucking new edition. I couldn't do it no more. I'm bossing up, big tuition, Black King. I stand up at my palace, for my chalice. Nowadays, I'm trying to find balance. Chill up in Texas, see my niggas out in Dallas. This is 92, I'm probably screaming stop the violence. I been trying to finish shades, nigga.